years. And we want to thank Horizon, especially Ina and David, for helping us choose our cabinets and helping us with the color schemes. We've lived with our old kitchen for 36 years and we thought it was time to get a makeover. We really appreciate what they've done for us. The workers were great. They did the preparation work and the cleanup before they left. And David was very nice too. He came by to check on the job after each phase and told us whether or not it was satisfactory. If not, he got the workers to come back and fix whatever he didn't like. Anyway, we want to thank Horizon once again.
Thank you. Thank you. It was a pleasure working with you. We enjoyed. And you have a beautiful kitchen. I know you cook wonderful. So I'm sure you will use it many, many years. Let me show you a little bit here how unique it is. Look at this beautiful floor and how it's flowing with those absolute stunning cabinets. And look at that unique backsplash. You see how nice it is? All those colors. And this is a quartz countertop.
Get out of her way.
Absolutely beautiful. Thank you.